Assalamu alaikum, folks. We have been very kindly by attorney Mr. Malik Jawad Khalid Sahab here. Assalamu alaikum, Jawad Khalid Sahab. Thank you, sir. So kind of you for joining our talk. The talk shall be on the 27th Amendment of the Constitution of Pakistan. Malik Jawad Khalid Sahab is a very experienced senior most attorney here in Rawalpindi. He is a Supreme Court attorney. He is an ex-president of High Court Bar Association. He is an ex-president of Rawalpindi Bar Association, as I understand correctly. And of course, myself, journalist Arshad Khan, US media company, Ummah Broadcasting USA. Mr. Khalid, there is a protest today, very major protest that we covered here this morning. And people were having slogans and shouting against the 27th Amendment. What is your position?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi, the listeners as well as the viewers. And thanks a lot, Mr. Rashid Khan, to join me for your channel. 27th Amendment is actually an amendment which is bulldozed the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. And the one thing which is very much important and relevant, which is against the injunctions of Islam even, and as well as our Constitution, that the amnesty given to the President as well as the Field Marshal.
Field Marshal Asif Munir, he means.
And in such a way, actually, there is no amnesty in Islam. There is no amnesty in the Constitution. If anyone commit any illegal act, he should be penalized in Islam. And this is the actually basic bone of contention now raised between our parties. There's a legal fraternity as well as the parliamentarians who pass such a, I use the word that is not a good amendment in any manner whatsoever. So I thought it's my thinking.
If you allow me one connecting question, very according to the Constitution of Pakistan, and I have a copy of the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, and the first article is called Article 2A, Objective Resolution, and this Article 2A, Objective Resolution, is as you enter the Supreme Court of Pakistan, isn't it right in the lobby? It is there, emblazoned in the lobby also. So all the Supreme Court lawyers, and I would like your comment on this, have told me that this amendment 27th violates even the Article 2A, the first article, Objective Resolution of the Constitution of Pakistan. And there cannot be any amendment in the Constitution in violation of the Objective Resolution. What is your position on this?
I had already been told you that this amendment destroyed the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. So after that, I think there is no need for any comment on it.
Thank you, sir. So kind of you. Okay, so now the amendment has been so-called passed by the National Assembly and the Senate.
So our parliament.
And the Senate, the full parliament, and the Senate of Pakistan. So now, Malik Sahab, how are you people, you the most powerful group in Pakistan are the attorneys. How are you going to challenge this amendment? What is the legal criteria you have available to you to challenge this amendment and get this amendment revoked and nulled?
Our bar associations, our bar councils are working on this point, and they had already been moved some petitions before the competent court of law. And actually, it is the duty of the bar associations and bar councils, and they do it. And they are trying to do it in the future too.
Okay, but today we were in the Rawalpindi Bar Association inside here in their meeting. What I heard, and I will quote that back, is that the president of the Rawalpindi Bar Association refused to come to this meeting, and they elected an interim president while I was present there. So apparently the president of the Rawalpindi Bar Association is not supporting your protest.
That protest made, because I was not aware of that protest, because I was not here in Rawalpindi at that time when this protest was going on. I was in Islamabad in my professional engagement. If our president was not there, it means that that protest was not actually under the supervision of the Bar Association.
However, I heard many people there pass a resolution along with a bearded lawyer. He was very smart, he was bearded, and we taped that. And he said that according to the rules of the Bar Association, if the president has been given a certain notice which was given for so many days, and if he doesn't show up for the meeting, then this Bar Association has the right, and they choose right there in this meeting today, they choose an interim president, and he supervised this Bar Association meeting.
There is no provision in our constitution, that's the Bar Association's constitution. Any interim president, no doubt, if the president is not available, then the vice president, being an acting president, chair the any of the meeting.
Vice President was there, as I understand. Let's come back to the real problem.
Yeah.
This Amendment 27. How, if the Supreme Court judges now, today, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan is not the old-fashioned way that used to be when Sajjad Ali Shah and before that the Chief Justices were with full powers. So that means the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan cannot bring in and do anything on these petitions that you have filed in the Supreme Court against the 27th Amendment. So how and who will do this case against the 27th Amendment in the Supreme Court of Pakistan?
The amendment is now the part and parcel of the constitution. That's either that's a wrong or not wrong. It will be decided in the future, not by now, anyone. But the Supreme Court Chief Justice is still a Chief Justice of Pakistan, and he has all the powers to do all the acts and the things which are empowered by him, not only by the Constitution but also by the Supreme Court rules.
Understood. Malik Saab understood.
Yeah.
And so kind of you, what I will summarize, what I understood from Supreme Court Senior Attorney Mr. Malik here is that today in Pakistan, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, under the present Constitution of Pakistan, has the authority and the power to make a decision on the appeals and the petitions that the attorneys have filed against even against the 27th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan. So I believe that the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, who has taken oath on Holy Quran and the Constitution of Pakistan, must decide in favor of the people of Pakistan. Massalam. मिस्टर सोहेल ने मुझे आज सुबह फजर के बाद बताया कि भाई अरशद साहब पिंडी चल रहा है, आज बहुत बड़ा मीटिंग है यहाँ। और सोहेल साहब क्या मीटिंग है आज यहाँ?
सर ये 27 जो अमेंडमेंट है ना, उसके हवाले से यहाँ पे रावलपिंडी बार में जो है ना एक मीटिंग शुरू होने जा रही है अभी से 15-20 मिनट के बाद। बेसिकली वो ये
और ऑफ कोर्स वी विल कवर विद यू एंड आई थिंक द प्रोटेस्ट इज ऑलरेडी कमिंग। Come on, Shurkar. See, the protest already started. This is the protesters.
मुकला दुश्मन हर दस्तूर ना मंजूर ना मंजूर। मुकला दुश्मन हर दस्तूर ना मंजूर ना मंजूर। आइन दुश्मन हर दस्तूर ना मंजूर ना मंजूर। We want rule of law. 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 भाई राजे सारे दोस्त
On me. These are the people. These are the people. These are the attorneys. These are the attorneys. Here. Listen to them.
निकले हैं
हम दस्तूर बचाने निकले।
रैली में मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो देखिए यहाँ से
कोई अपनी जात के लिए नहीं निकले हैं, ना कुलवार साहब अपनी जात के लिए निकले, ना फैसल मलक साहब, ना तौफीक साहब। ये आज उस खामोशी के दायरे को तोड़कर आज हमारी इब्तिदा है और इंशाअल्लाह ताला आप ये देखेंगे ये हाल पूरा भरा हुआ होगा। आज ही तौफीक आसम साहब को ज्वाइन करूंगा और मलिक फैसल साहब को ज्वाइन करूंगा कि आप इधर आए और आजी साहब को सेंटर में बिठाएं, क्योंकि सदर साहब
ठीक है भाई, वो करिए आप सारे इधर आ जाए, आप सारे इधर आ जाए, आप सारे इधर आ जाए।
अब मैं
वो इलेक्टेड मेंबर है, वो बैठे जो कानूनी
मैं मीडिया वाले हजरात से गुजारिश करूंगा आप साइड इंटरप्शन नहीं करनी है आपने। आप यहाँ पे
बल्कि मैं कहूँगा आप स्टेज ऊपर जाए, आईनी इजलास हो रहा है, ऊपर जाए सर, आईनी इजलास।
ये आपकी बात का सरमाया है, ये बात की अमानत है, बात की रेजोल्यूशन जो कि हमने एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी को दी थी। एहतियातन एक फोटोकॉपी मैंने अपने पास संभाल के रख ली थी क्योंकि हमें इनकी ताकत का अंदाजा है। इनका ये कि आइन और कानून की सरबलंदी के लिए सबसे पहले पिंडी बात और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को हमने प्रोटेक्ट करना होगा।
आप सारे इधर आ जाए, नहीं तो क्या करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, अब मैं इजलास का बकायदा आगाज करने से जो मेंबर पंजाब राज्य परिषद का इलेक्शन या पोलिटिकल मेंबर है इंशाअल्लाह ताला और उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो बात की रेजोल्यूशन पास करें।
कायम होने वाले आईनी बेंच को खत्म करके अब आईनी